Hey guys, what's up? Brando here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, we do all kinds of tech reviews, unboxings, tutorials and tips. I'm really so excited to bring you an unboxing of a GoPro Hero 2018. I've been searching a while for a great action camera, and GoPro has been the market leader for a while now. Action cameras are actually called GoPros for some reason. People misname it. I am sure that it is going to impress me. I did not buy the higher end model. I bought the baby version. This is the Hero 2018. So without any further ado, we're going to have a look at what's inside. Let's get on with the show. We just pull up the tab that's at the bottom. Just like that, pull open our flaps open. We have our beautiful GoPro 2018. It seems to be mounted on a base plate. Let's remove this thumb screw. You just clip it forward and the GoPro is out. To remove this off the frame, we're gonna pull forward, lift it up and slowly push this GoPro out without breaking it. There we go. It's amazing how small this guy really is. There's a sticker here. There we go. We have our GoPro camera. We have the frame. Let's just open this baby up. It's a pretty empty box. We have a curved helmet mount. We have a fixed straight helmet mount or table mount, whatever you want to call it. USB to USB-C charge cable and the infamous GoPro battery made by Samsung SDI. So we got a cord light here and one at the bottom. There's the microphone input, a mode button. What is in here? That is micro HDMI and the USB-C for charging. It has a nice rubber seal. It feels really robust. I guess you get what you pay for. So I've switched to a different angle here so that you guys can see the stuff's really tiny, and I wanted you to have a close view. This is the camera frame and it's very well constructed. See from the front, you can see your battery status. There we go. I am on settings for some reason. It helps you to know exactly what's happening on your GoPro. There's a lens protector here. This is the shutter button. The shutter button feels really great as well. I love gadgets that have a good feel to the buttons, etc. It's just one tap and it starts recording, but I think I'm stuck on time lapse for some reason. GoPro, stop recording. That is brilliant. This is where we see the micro HDMI and the USB-C. Again, lovely weather seal. It closes in quite firmly. At the bottom here, if we open up, this is the battery and the micro SD card slot. I'll remove it here in a second. There we go. Pop this guy out. This battery is the same battery that is used in the Hero 5 and the Hero 6. So the Hero 2018, the Hero 5 and the Hero 6 use the same batteries. That's really great that it's interchangeable. We lock it back in. Overall, the feel is really great. It's grippy. It's made out of this plastic. I felt some of the cheaper versions or the third-party frames, they do not feel as well built as this. GoPro accessories are rather expensive, and that's the way that these guys make a lot of money as well. But I think for the price, you can feel the difference. This is the flat mount with some sticky tape at the back. This is a curved helmet mount. This display is pretty cool for a small unit. The touch works really great. Connect, we have preferences, so we can go to preferences, and this is where we can set up all of the GoPro's settings. This is the mode button, the front LCD, which makes everything really easy to, and rubber combination, some type of TPU that's really grippy. I'm also quite curious to see how the voice commands work on the newer GoPros. Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you really enjoyed the unboxing of this GoPro Hero 2018. It's a brilliant little camera. I would definitely suggest it. It's highly recommended. I'm quite impressed with this. I'm going to be doing a lot more work with it, and I will also be telling you about the hack. So stay tuned, stay updated. Thank you for joining me. Like it if you enjoyed it, thumbs down if you didn't, and don't forget to subscribe at the bottom. Question of the day is, do you like GoPro, or is there another brand that you prefer? Let us know down in the comments below. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Ciao.